Hi friends, this is Trilochan from Silan Software Pvt. In this video, I will show you how to install Java JDK 18. So current version of Java Standard Edition is Java 18. So as we have known, to build applications and components using Java programming language. So whatever we require environment, that environment is JDK, Java Development Kit. So our first step is we have to download and install JDK, and the current version of JDK is JDK18. So now we will see how to download and install JDK18 in Google. If I will type JDK18 download just to see, and you go through second links, you go through second link. So if I will click, so this is the link oracle.com/java/technology/download slash. So you go through this link and you see this is Java 18 and Java SE Standard Edition Development Kit. This, so some description so that is given about JDK, and you see so many JDK softwares. So for various operating systems are available. So for Linux operating system, for Mac operating system, for Windows operating system. So our requirement is, so we will download JDK 18 for Windows operating system. Just to see, so one point is here in middle, x64 installer, and the file size is 153.38 MB, and this is the link. So when I will click on this link, JDK18 will download. Already I have downloaded. If you will click here, then you see, so JDK18 will download. So now I clicked, so as a result, so JDK18 software downloaded. So it will take very few seconds. So within few seconds that this download will complete. Okay, so already I have this software. So already here I have kept in my D drive. Inside my D drive I have a folder, Java software folder, and so JDK18. This is my JDK18. Okay, so now it is very easy. It is very easy to download because it is completely free. So freely, so we can download JDK18. So now after downloading JDK18, so we will install. So the installation process is very very simple. So now I will double click. Okay, so we will install. Now I will click on S button. So now the installation will start. So once JDK software will install, so after successful installation of JDK software, then we will get an environment, so for development and execution of Java program. So now the option is coming preparing to install. Now you click on next button, then you click on next button. Okay, so now it is installing. So now the installation is going on. It will take very few seconds, and just to see, Java SE development JDK18 successfully installed. Okay, so now I will click on close button. Okay, then this is step number one. So first what I did, I downloaded JDK18 software, then I installed. Then step number two, I have to what set the a perfect path. That means path setup that I have to do. So you go through my computer and right click on my computer, go to properties, and when I will go to properties, then you go to, there is an option advanced system setting. Then you will click on environment variables. There is an option environment variables. You see, when I clicked on environment variables, then I will go through path. So you see, there is a path option. So you click on path option. So now you click on edit text option. So now a path that we will see. So previously that this path I have pasted here. So now before that, so here a path I have to paste here. So from where I will bring paths, just to see, once JDK 18 currently we install, you go through C drive, then go through program files, then in program files, just to see, once JDK software you are installing, then automatically a folder will create. So that folder name is Java folder. You click, then JDK18 you click, then you click on bin option, just to see. So you click here, just to see, this is the path, your completely JDK software path. In C drive, in program files folder, inside the program files folder there is a Java folder, inside Java folder JDK18, then inside JDK18.0.1.1. So in bin, so in win folder, so all the components are here. So this is the path. So this is the path. Just I will copy this path. I will copy this path and I will paste here. So I will paste here. Now, this is called as path setup. So, Java JDK installation process that we are doing in two-step process. Step number one, JDK 18 software we installed successfully. Step number two, we are doing a path setup. So in this way, we have to set the path. Now I will click on OK button. Now I will click on OK button. Then I will click on OK button. OK, OK, OK button. Okay. So now my path is set. Now everything I will close now. So now how I will know, so my JDK software have successfully installed or not, and the perfect environment that I will get or not. So I will go to command prompt. Okay, so I will go to C drive. So I will execute a command java hyphen version, just to see, and we got Java 18, Java version 18. So now we got sure. So JDK 18 successfully installed. If I will type Java C, as we know that Java C is the name of the Java compiler. Now I will hit enter and so many commands that we can get. So if it is displaying on the screen, so we will sure that we installed JDK 18 successfully. So this is the way that how to download and install JDK 18. Okay, so once JDK 18 we install, then we got an environment. Okay, so Java compiler, interpreter, linker, loader, assembler, debugger, header, so many helper components automatically creating, and they are helping for developing and executing a Java program. So I hope you enjoyed you with this video, and I hope you got the clarity with this video.